નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here. Dear student friends, we'll move ahead with the transformation of a transitive imperative sentence to active imperative. Once again, I'll give you shortcut key that a transitive imperative sentence would be always with object. So that what can be the structure of transitive sentence? V plus either O1 or O2. This will be the structure of transitive imperative sentence. Somewhere else, both one also. And so that one thing I'll tell you here. In this type of sentence also you will think for double passive. Why is it so? Because wherever O1 and O2 both are given, you will transfer the place of O1 as well as O2 in the initial place of the sentence. Got the idea? As usual, first of all, check it. What is the structure of given sentence? What is change? That is V. What you change? The voice is equal to O1. It means, according to this only, we are having the sentence figure. Call me anytime. Anytime is extension. What is me? This is O2. What is call? This is V. Now think it. Send. What is send? V. Me is what? Me is equal to O2. Important messages is equal to O2. It means this sentence is V plus O2 plus O1. The same thing I have written. It can be V plus O1. It can be with V plus O2. If it is required, there can be extension. We are not concerned here with extension. Extension makes no difference for us. This is V plus O2. What is this? This is V plus O2 also, V plus O1 also. Both the types of objects we are having, and so that this both the types of object will be here for us. This is O1, this is O2. Okay, what shall we do? Start the sentence with let. Each and every time we will start the sentence with let. Let will be on the first position. That's all. Start the sentence with that we have done. Next to that, use O1 or O2 soon after let. Here O1 is given, so that we will transfer with let. Let the voice. Soon after let we will use O1 or O2. Here me, then me will be, me is OC form. This OC form will be converted into SC, NC form, so that let I. This is not possible. Why is it so? Because with let there is always possibility, always possible OC form only. NC form cannot be used. So that we will transfer O2, means OC form only we will transfer. But let requires always OC, so that we will not convert OC into NC. So that this will remain as it is without any change. So that let mean here let important messages. Up to this, two basic steps we have completed. Next to that, what is third one? Use to be form for imperative sentence. Imperative sentence demands only V. So that we have to use only V form. To be is infinitive. This is B form. This B form is according to imperative sentence. so that this is B form. Next to that, use past participle of given verb. Past participle, change will be converted into change. Here, let me be, call will be converted into hold. Then afterwards, extension, anytime. We are not concerned with extension. Send me important messages. Let important messages be sent PP to me. You will ask me that you told us O to S, S to O, to B and PP. The same thing we have followed here. S is not given, so that O is replaced in place of subject. Next to that to be form we have used, but that to be form should be according to given tense or given sentence better. Here it is imperative sentence, so that we have used to be. Next to that PP, the same thing we have used. Same thing we have used here. Next to that extension, leave it. Here we will go ahead for the second passive. And what is that? Let. This will come front. Let me be sent what? Important messages. Let me be sent important messages. What is this? This is double passive structure in transitive imperative sentence. What is this? Double passive. What is this? Single passive. What is this? Single passive. This thing is much more important for you. Why is it so? Because with the help of these 4 steps, you would be able to transfer transitive imperative sentence into active into passive. This thing you will keep it in your mind. Once again, I'll tell it to you. If in the examination, board examination, if imperative sentence is asked, please judge it whether it is transitive imperative sentence or whether it is intransitive imperative sentence. Based on that, you will convert active into passive, because the rules and regulations, all the steps would be quite different. For this, you will keep it in your mind. I'll give you little time to write down the same thing. I'll give you practice sentences also here, where you will identify, you will transfer it according to the steps what I have given over here. Just you how a screenshot with the rules and regulations of the same and conversion of the same, so that it can be easy one for you to understand it. Okay? One more thing I'll tell you. In the examination, if O1, O2, both the objects are given, it is not compulsory that you will write both the transformations. It is not at all compulsory. But I will advise you to write both. Why is it so? If, suppose that, this one is wrong. Suppose this one is wrong. If second one is correct, then you will get marks for this. If it is wrong, you have written only one, and that one is wrong, then you would be the loser. Here, if you have written both one, and if first one is wrong, second one is correct, then you would be in advantage to get the same marks. So that whether it is simple sentence or transitive sentence, if two objects are given, however it is possible, try to go for the transformation for both O1 and O2, so that if something is wrong from your part, you can recorrect it here later on. Got the idea? Once again, move ahead with the same so that you can write down it in a right way to your notebook. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.